Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christian with PerfectStockAlert.com. You're either with us or we're taking your money on every trade. Today is Thursday, April the 22nd, 2010. Today's market sold off as we anticipated it would, but at the end of the day, she sucked it back up again. The market continues to do that over and over again. It's starting to tick me off. But all in all, the signs are still there. Okay, we got the same sell signal before. Remember the inverted hammer, where we got it here again. We got another one right here. We got another one right here. Okay, we started seeing the weakness, the sell day. Bounce it back up, pretend that never happened, and then the sell day. Bounce back up, pretend it never happened. Here we have the same thing. Bounce up, sell day. Pretend it never happened. Sell off. Bounce back up. It never happened. This little one-day selling is not the actual move lower. It is just signaling to you that there's a weakness in the uptrend. There's strength is increasing in favor of bears. The real move is going to be a consistent, strong move lower, okay? So be looking for that. We're just seeing the weakness signs right now. You'll also notice downtrend low points, they're all pointing lower, while low points here in price print are signaling higher. You do not want to trust the price when that's going on. You want to trust the slow stotch. That's telling you the truth. Also be checking out the volume behind the sell moves, much larger than the buy activity behind the up days. That tells you another indicator right there. This is where the power is at on the sell side. That's why you want to be on the short side of this trade. Remember our long-term chart. Let's check it out. The long-term chart, 4 years, each one of these candlesticks is 1 week. And you can see we're having resistance at the 61.8% retracements of 11,227. We've also got a resistance line of 11,867. And we have the weak support they're trying to play off of right here at 10,333. It's not actually anything to worry about this time. It's where you should start doing your shorting and moving on up as well. You've also got, if you look at the convergence of the lines on the earlier chart, this is the Dow Jones Industrial Average 6 months, each one of these candlesticks being 1 day. We're flipping back and forth between time frames. We got to keep our mind on both of these charts at the same time, okay? You'll notice this uptrend line right here. Let me grab the right tool. Boom, boom. Okay, the uptrend right here. All right, that's where bulls want to keep it above. If they drop below that, they're going to have to start doing that selling that they don't want to do. So they're trying really hard to stay the close above this line. The problem is this line is getting higher and higher, tighter and tighter against this line, this upper Bollinger Band line. So we've got this convergence of these two forces, and they're going to force this market to break either up or down. I've already told you where I'm betting. I'm betting with the volume, and the volume is showing us that the power, the strength, the next play is in favor of bears. So be looking for that. As always, when you're doing any work, double check your work and then check it again. How do we do that in stocks? Very simple. If we're analyzing the Dow Jones Industrial Average, let's go back and check out the VIX, see if it's telling us the opposite, okay? We've said the Dow Jones is signaling signs if it moves to lower or move to go lower, then the VIX should be showing signs to move higher, okay? That works on any of your major market charts. If you're looking at the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, or the Dow Jones, you can just cross-examine it with the VIX, okay? So we have here the slow stotch trending higher. You've also noticed a little move to the upside right there in the trend. You could actually buy as she moves lower to this trend line right here and just set a stop right down here, okay? That's a little way you could play that. You also notice a big move to the upside that's pulled back now. But again, it's a big move to the upside coming out of nowhere. I don't think it's out of nowhere, okay? Let's move on down and see if we can find some other items on this chart here. Oh yes, we've got the wrong tool. MACD moving to the upside. Also notice the histograms moving to the upside. At the same time, the RSI, low points trending higher. Early sign of reversal? I think so. Regardless what you do, refer your friends. Go to our website at PerfectStockAlert.com. It is free. You can get a free membership, see what's in my portfolio, gain access to our small cap alerts. All we ask is you refer one friend. Simply tell somebody, I don't care if it's a stalker or your mailman, say, hey, go check out PerfectStockAlert.com. That's all we ask, okay? Refer a friend. That's how we stay in business, and that's how we get stronger and better. And the happier I am, the happier I'm going to make you, which means I'm out there working overtime to make you money. Plain and simple. Check out our YouTube channel. Press subscribe and go to our Facebook page and click like. God bless. Enjoy the evening.